The rise in cases of non-communicable diseases like diabetes, cardiovascular conditions such as heart attack and stroke, as well as obesity, is correlated to urbanization, which is characterized by consumption of processed and fatty foods, as well as motorized transports against, well, the all-natural walking. However, exercise being vital, KuTv News tonight highlights the benefits of Zumba, which could shake this unhealthy urban world around for you. Literally.
According to the World Health Organization statistics, in 2008, about 3.2 million deaths were attributed to insufficient physical activity. The organization states that violence, high-density traffic, low air quality, pollution, lack of parks, sidewalks and sports and recreational facilities are some of the contributors to these statistics, all characteristics of urbanization. We visited Premier Fitness and Wellness Center, where we met Francesca Mudhenja, a sports scientist who describes the importance of exercise or physical activity, highlighting the most appropriate exercises to protect against non-communicable diseases.
For example, aerobic exercises. These are exercises that will need you to be active. They will use a lot of your energy when it comes to breathing. That means your cardiovascular system is going to be working a lot during these exercises. We also have weight training exercises. These are exercises where you have to use extra weight, and we mostly use these exercises to build muscle. We also have calisthenics. These are also exercises that you can use weights for weight training, but you use your own body. You use your own body weight as weight.
What exactly is the best time to exercise, taking into note time, food taken, as well as appropriate rest and workout periods?
The best time to actually work out is during the morning hours. Morning hours, you've just woken up, you have a lot of reserved energy. An exercise or a program, whoever is doing it for you needs to be well scheduled, like broken down into repetitions and rest them. For example, I can do shoulder presses of 10 kgs at a set of 15, and I do 3 repetitions, and then I take maybe 3 minutes maximum of rest.
Is it healthy to work out when one is under medication, going through surgery, or undertaking treatments like chemotherapy or radiotherapy, especially aerobic-related activities?
For example, this person has been under very heavy medication and they're completely weak. They probably can't get out of bed. The first thing that I would do, or I would advise anyone to do, is breathing. Breathing is an exercise. You now try and test now movements. Are they able to move? Are they too weak to move? Try and see if they're dizzy or not. If they're not dizzy, you can start now doing exercises like just walking. So I would do aerobic exercises for someone who's under chemo or light medication.
Match the rhythm to the beats and the music to Zumba, a fitness style comprising of aerobics and body movements. And as we find out, is a healthy and a fun way to exercise the body.
At this gym setup, we meet Philomena Kachola and Paulette Mweni, both Zins or Zumba instructors, who elaborate what Zumba is and the different categories in which the fusion of music and aerobics fall into.
There's Zumba Kids, so there's basically choreos for kids. There's Zumba Gold, those are for the elderly guys. There's Zumba, the one I was doing, that's basic, which anybody can do. And then there's Zumba Aqua, that when you do Zumba but inside the pool water. And then there's Zumba Toning. So Zumba Toning, you use weights and all that kind of thing.
The Zumba class comprises of very young people. What is the aim physically and mentally to practice Zumba according to the Zins?
First, even they get, because also a lot of people have stress. When they meet different people, have fun. Even that 1 hour, it's really good, you know. Have fun, meet new people. You meet someone who's encouraging. Maybe you're having a hard day. It promises you like a longer life than you would have if you wouldn't have kept fit.
Essentially, how does Zumba improve different aspects of health in terms of weight loss or maintenance or general good health?
Basically, Zumba is aerobics. So you lose weight. You lose about, Zumba is 1 hour class. So you lose about 300 calories. And then also mentally it does help because you relax. You know, maybe you are coming from work and you had a busy, hectic day. When you come to class and you listen to all this nice music and you do those funny moves that you're doing, you actually relax.
The World Health Organization recommends 150 minutes of exercise of moderate intensity aerobic physical activities throughout the week for adults between 18 to 64 years, or 60 minutes of physical activity daily for children between the ages of 5 and 17. Christine Kamau, KuTv.